Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally bringing you guys a brow tutorial and I will be using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This one I got from Edgar's and I can't remember how much it was, but there's a mini size which was for $195 and then the bigger size that I have here, I think it was $295 or $375, but I'll put the link in my description box. So I was struggling to open this, don't mind me. So finally I managed to take it out of the box and this is how it looks. It has two sides and the first side is like a nice small spoolie which you're going to use to arrange your brows, and the other side is the pencil. It's very nice. It has like a sharp tail and then a thick filler on the side, and it's so slanted. I love this. It makes it more easier to draw your brow. And I wanted to show you guys how the full size looks. I think that's up to how much product I had when it first came. So I'm gonna set my eyebrows with some translucent powder. You can use anything that is translucent just to remove all the oils from your brows. So what you want to do is you want to brush your brows towards the direction where they will curl less or where they will define the shape of your natural brow best. For me, if I brush them upwards, that's when I can see how my brow shape is. And I'm going to take that sharp side and I'll start drawing my brow from the bottom. And this product is very concentrated. You want to just lightly draw it. If you press on too much, it might end up being harsh. So as you can see, I'm just following the natural brow shape that I have, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the top part of my brow, and I'm going to join the two lines at the end. So as you can see, I'm not just holding the pencil and drawing a straight line. I am trying to constantly see if I am moving towards the direction of the meeting point of my brows. So I'm going to slightly just brush in with the side where it's a bit thick. For the tail, I used that sharp side that I emphasized in the beginning so that the brow can be a little bit sharp at the end. And in the beginning, all I do is brush my brows upwards with the same pencil, then slightly fill in everything together. So you can see I still had some patches that were not filled in. What I'm going to do is take the same spoolie from the other side and then just brush everything together. Sometimes you don't want to put in too much product because it's going to appear very harsh. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal concealer to clean up my brows, and I'm going to use this brush by Cala, and it's brush number 317 brow / liner brush. It's very nice. It works for both your liners and your brows as well. I'm just going to slightly draw and clean up the underbrow, and I'm not going to go too close to what I've drawn. I will leave a bit of space because when I blend, the product is going to move either upwards, both upwards and downwards. This brush that I'm using you can find at Discam or at Clicks. So taking the blending brush, I'm just going to blend out that concealer so that it doesn't appear harsh. And like I said, when you blend, the product is going to go upwards eventually. But if you're perfect in blending, you can drag the concealer as close as possible to the brow line. Taking the same brush that I used for the bottom brow without adding any product, I'm just going to draw and clean up the up part of the brow. If you add more products to this, it might be a bit difficult to blend, but if you're perfect in it, you can go ahead and add more concealer and clean up the top part of the brow. There goes my brow tutorial. I didn't want this video to be too long, that's why I didn't show the other side, but I just wanted to show you guys how simple it is to just draw a natural brow. Don't forget to blend everything together if you feel like you have some patches showing there, and sometimes when you do the brows first, your skin appears different compared to when you do your foundation first, then you do your brows. But for the purpose of this video, I just wanted you guys to see how a natural brow can look and how minimalistic it can be. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.